Thanksgiving is right around the corner, so this means only one thing. It's time for turkey. Hey everyone, it's Marlene here with Savory Thoughts at savorythoughts.com. In this video, we'll be making this delicious smoked turkey breast recipe. Let's get started. So to begin, you want to go ahead and make sure that you wash your turkey thoroughly. In a separate bowl, go ahead and add in your butter and melt the butter. Once you are done, pat dry the turkey. Once the butter has melted, go ahead and add in your seasoning. Guys, the full recipe is on our website at savorythoughts.com. And once you are done, whisk it well. Apply the seasoning base all over the turkey breast. And be sure to apply the seasoning in the cavity of the breast as well. To apply the seasoning, it's best to use a pastry brush. Once you are done applying the seasoning to the turkey breast, go ahead and set it aside and let it marinate. In the meantime, bring your smoker to 300 degrees in temperature. Once your smoker has reached the temperature, go ahead and add in the turkey breast. Cook the turkey breast for 3 hours at 300 degrees, and after 3 hours, reduce the temperature to 200 degrees and cook the breast for the remaining 2 hours. And that's it. Your beautiful turkey breast recipe is ready for you to serve to your family and friends and enjoy. Guys, the full recipe is on our website at savorythoughts.com. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell as we post new videos weekly. Cheers!